Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality mini drones on an optimal budget, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order, etc. I hope you like my drone reviews and you get the best quality drone you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In at 5th place, the best mini drone is the Aliexpress RC mini drone. This drone is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable, and portable. It has a lot of features that you would like to see on a beginner drone. It has an altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mavic. So the beginner can adjust their skill level. Already this drone price is $18.03. I think that, at that price, this drone is very powerful and effective. In this drone some outstanding features such as it has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with a 4K HD camera. Make the control easy to use, aerial photography is handy. 4K drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles, wonderful moments. Let you stay in focus and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring, the picture back is clear and true. This drone builds in 3.7 volt, 650 mAh powerful battery. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery effectively increases the power consumption. Powerful, with up to 20 minutes of flight time. With a stable hovering performance system, it is easy to use a remote-controlled 360-degree tumbling stunt in the air. The continuous tumbling operation, then the aircraft automatically make adjustments and balance. This drone has gesture photo and video option. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response, support for identifying photos or videos. In this drone support fixed altitude mode, control the aircraft to fly at a distance from the controller. 5 meters distance, turn on the following function, the aircraft can automatically follow. In number 4, the best mini drone is S162RC drone. This S162 drone review looks at the outstanding features, specifications, and frequently asked questions on this latest mini quadcopter. To fit so much technology into the selfie drone is a tremendous feat of engineering, elegant design, and new innovation. In this review, I give you a nice overview of this new mini drone. The selfie drone has flight cam range, distance, max height, altitude, frequency, sensors, transmission, gimbal, cameras, flight compatibility, and much more. Already this drone price is $81.94. However, this drone has some main features are. This drone has a GPS positioning system. This drone with the powerful GPS not only can capture your position precisely anytime, but also provide the smart automatic return home function. One key return, low voltage return, and no signal return, which will keep your drone fly back to you safely and always under control. It has a 1080 pixel, 120-degree wide-angle HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. GPS fixed height and position will definitely bring you the high experience of the fluent and stable photographs, selfie shots, and live video. To record every fabulous moment of your life with you. This drone builds in 7.4 volt, 1200 mAh powerful battery. S162 has longer endurance time because of its built-in brushless motors, and the whole fly system will offer the flight time for up to 18 to 20 minutes with high energy efficiency power. The aircraft can be connected through Wi-Fi, and the real-time transmission function can be activated to take aerial pictures of the aircraft. Overall control and viewing, image feedback clear, fast 200 meters unimpeded. This drone has a gesture photography system. Gesture the camera and take a picture and videos. 1080 pixel HD colorful resolution, excellent anti-shake technology. You can set specific buildings, objects, or locations as points of interest. Set the height and radius of the circle. On one, the plane can fly around the center point automatically, easily shooting the master lens effect. You can download the officially designated app and connect to the aircraft by Wi-Fi. You can control the aircraft through the mobile phone. It has comprehensive functions and more simple operation. In at third place, the mini drone is Woltoys Q353RC drone. Q353 is one of the most affordable drones for traveling purposes. It is the newest edition award-winning drone. Specifications: this drone, about 120 minutes charging time, about 6 to 7 minutes flight time, 150 meters remote distance, 6-axis gyroscope, 30-meter GPS follow, 7.4 volt 1200 mAh powerful battery. Recently this drone price is $83.24. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time, and comfort controlling, long-time battery life, especially considering its budget price. It has a unique design to support air, ground, water mode. 100% waterproof, even upside down in the water, can easily roll up, making flying easier and no worry about drone direction when flying. The drone can entertain you with its powerful 3D rolls by pressing only one button. Bring more happiness to you. The powerful 7.4 volt 1200 mAh high-capacity battery with an energy-optimized system gives you a vastly improved flight experience. And up to 16 minutes of footage satisfies all your desires about the sky. GPS positioning system provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return-to-home function for the safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. You will never worry about losing your drone. The LED flashlight allows you to fly in the dark at night and easily identify the head and tail. One key: taking off and landing makes the operation more convenient, and it is very suitable for novice operation. The newest 6-axis gyro control system ensures stable flight and ease of use. The 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. Headless mode makes your flight exciting and fun. In its second place, the best mini drone is Hubsan H117S Xeno GPS drone. H117S Xeno is a new high-quality model from an affordable price segment from Hubsan. The quadricopter has a folding design that makes it convenient and compact for storage and transportation. A camera with 1080-pixel 4K UHD ultra-high definition, 30 FPS Ambarella sports image processor. On a 3-axis gyroscopic suspension allows you to achieve a smooth and clear picture, and the range is now as much as 2.5 km. Already this drone price is $245.51. This drone has some external features such as a simple design with aerodynamics and a smooth body line, reduces air resistance, and achieves stable flight with high agility. A newly designed 3-axis gimbal is mounted to enable stable shooting. Transmitters can easily adjust the shooting angle of the gimbal. It has 4K ultra-high definition image, records flight with unprecedented tightness. Rediscovering the pleasure of photography by the bright wide-angle lens of f2.2 which was mounted on the body. This drone, equipped with one key automatic takeoff function, automatic landing, and return to home function, accurate position information, supports your maneuvers wherever the quadcopter is. This drone has superior handling performance. Ultra-long control distance, high-definition image return, discover new perspectives from different angles, record wonderful moments. The drones with a camera come with powerful 3.7 volt, 2600 mAh modular batteries in the Playing Toys drone whole set, which can support a longer flight time for you. The modular design ensures the safety of charge and storage. You can expect to get about 23 minutes of flight time. It has a typical range of about 1 kilometer or so. Keep in mind that the Wi-Fi first-person view feed probably will be 2.5 km through the range of the remote. With deep learning-based gesture recognition, you no longer rely on mobile phones. Remote control, and you can easily take and self-timer with a wave of your hand. Let the 109 lira be an extension of your arm and make the control handy. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Find a center point and set the surround height and radius via the phone app. Connect the aircraft Wi-Fi instead of the remote control to achieve control of the aircraft. And number 1, the best mini drone is FIAM iX8 GPS drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 1 on my list. The new compact FIAM iX8 Explorer drone is compact and portable. It has advanced features for a small drone. It features a GPS positioning system for GPS position hold, return to home functionality and other smart flight modes. It integrates a 1080-pixel HD camera, which transmits real-time HD videos and photos directly to a smartphone via the app. Recently this drone price is $499. Some outstanding features of this drone is: the FIMIX8 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. This drone captures impressive 12-megapixel photos with a Sony CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides 4K 30fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance image sensor. Video transmission distance of up to 8 kilometers and can also deliver 1080-pixel FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. It has an impressive flight time of up to 35 minutes, allows you to pull off epic fast-paced shots. 3x digital zoom camera, obstacle sensing in 3 directions, makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your drone. It has smart tracking mode. With the powerful visual tracking system, the drone can precisely lock the target with a more powerful flight planning shooting. It has GPS optical flow mode switching system. Indoor flight automatically recognizes optical flow mode. Outdoor light automatically switches GPS, optical flow dual mode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.